Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sat in the Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door 63S, and next to me is an Audi RS7, and of course we're going to have a drag race. So this has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 639 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. It's all-wheel drive. It's got a 9-speed automatic gearbox with multi-clutches, so it has a very good launch control system. That Audi has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 as well, but it only has 600 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. It costs £97,000, whereas this is £145,000. So is it really worth the extra cash for that little bit of extra performance? We're going to find out in a moment. So this car weighs 2,120 kilos, and that is 2,065 kilos. So that shouldn't really play a part in this drag race at all. What will make a difference though is how much performance each of these cars can put down onto the tarmac. Now before we race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, if you'd like to check out our new merch, Life's a Drag, click on the pop-out banner up there to go straight to the store. Also, why not follow me on Instagram, @MattWatsonCars. Okay, you done that? Good. Right, let's go on with this race. Now before we race, let's just do a quick sound comparison between these two Jummer V8s, see which one sounds the best. They're all in their loudest setting. I'm going to rev this one up. Oh, soft limiter, but still popping. Oh yeah. Lots of farty sounds. This car's had too many beans, I think. Go on then Audi, rev it up. Barely hear it. That's got a soft limiter as well. Which do you think sounded the best? I'm pretty sure it's this. Just argue it amongst yourselves, fanboys, in the comments box below. Obviously, before we drag race these cars, it makes sense to warm up their tyres, because I hate tyres and I want to destroy them all. Excellent. Gives a bit of traction off the line. And with this AMG, I can put it into rear drive only mode. I just pull up on these pedals. There we go. And now drift mode is active. Big circle now. That was fun. Stupid. Unexpensive. Oh well, on my tyres. Go on Audi, beat that! Quattro. Can't go rear wheel drive. Might just understeer. What's he going to do? Ooh, actually. Better than I was thinking. Oh, that's just dirty. Oh my God, he's just absolutely nuked his tyres. Yeah, those tyres are definitely warm. Well, one side is anyway. Right, let's get on with this race. Need to get out of drift mode now because I want to be 4-wheel drive.
3.
Come out of it.
2.
Out. There we go.
1.
Right, let's do this. Oh God, he mullered me off the line. I was a bit slow in reacting, but now. I'm beating him while being killed by the seatbelt. Tugged me tight because it thought I might be having an accident, and now it's finally released me when I smashed that RS7 by beating it across the line. I was really annoying. God, your launch was good. I was a bit delayed. There's like a bit of a delay when you lift off the brake to it actually taking off. You were just like, bing, off the line.
Yeah, this thing launched brilliantly, but then there was absolutely nothing I can do. Past you came, and that was that.
It's true. It was all down to me, nothing to do with the car. Well, the extra 45 grand it cost. It was just my shit drag racing skills. Look, because life's a drag, remember? I want to try another one where I get a slightly better start so it's even off the line to see what the actual difference is. I want to do another one just because of reasons. Is that all right?
Good with me.
Sucker for punishment. I'm going to try and channel my inner Yanni. Get a perfect launch.
Reaction time.
Come on.
So on point.
I need a heavy watch. I'll just put that on my wrist. There we go. Oh, I feel a bit more like Yanni now. If you're watching this going, what is that moron going on about? Although maybe he doesn't watch the drag races he's not in. Comment below, Yanni, if you're actually watching this. And guys, thumb up his comment if he does, so I can see that he has done amongst all the thousands of other comments. Otherwise, he'll just be lost in amongst the others.
3, 2, 1.
I nailed. Might have jumped a bit. No, I didn't. It was fair. And look what happens. I wish it wouldn't bloody do that when you're launching. This seatbelt just tugs you tight like in the pre-sense crash palaver nonsense. I mean, it's great probably if you're about to crash, it might save your life. But I'm trying to work here, guys. Let me do my job. You've got the G-force pushing you back in your seats, and you've got this thing tugging you back as well. Don't need it. RS7, do you think I jumped the start? I don't think I did. Please say I didn't.
Well, I don't think you did. I got a pretty good launch that time as well, but realistically, we're not handing out prizes for launches, are we?
No, we actually are.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, after I managed to launch the AMG GT 4-door 63S properly, it crossed the line in 11.1 seconds, while the Audi RS7 did the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race. Cars in comfort and in drive. Can I count it in? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, pretty even on the kick down, even though this is having to think about more gears. It's got 9, it's got 8. Look at the power difference though, blimey. Oh, this thing is just moving. Look at that, it's making the RS7 look slow. And the RS7 is definitely not slow. This is mental. This guy's noticeably quicker, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely, without a doubt. I think my gearbox kicked down slightly faster than you, but really, I could only enjoy it for a couple of seconds and then you were gone.
Well, I beg to differ. I thought it was quite even on the old kick down. Anyway, let's take kick down out of the equation, shall we? Same thing again, but with the cars in the sportiest setting and the gearbox in manual from 50 miles an hour. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. This picks up so well. All flashing lights tell me to shift up, so I can't make an error. Oh, yes. Ta-ra. The way this thing picks up when you floor it, that hot V with the turbos in between the V, just give you so much response. I don't know how fast, I can't even see the speedo. I've got a camera in the way, no idea how quickly I was going. Very quickly. Oh, this thing is just so fast, isn't it?
It's incredible. I'm sensing a bit of a theme developing with these races as well.
It is almost 50 grand more though, to be fair.
That is true, and that's probably before you've added your fancy satin blue paint as well.
Yeah, you're just keeping it real with a bit of red, aren't you?
Makes the car go faster, everyone knows that.
Final challenge then, brake test from 70 miles an hour. I'm having to look around the camera to see 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. This is ridiculous. It's 69, come on, get 70 there, 70, there we go. Now. Oh, that's got carbon ceramics. This hasn't. I'm pretty sure the Audi won, not by far, maybe half a metre or something. Let's find out. Let's see what he thinks. You won that, yeah?
Yeah, I think I did. Finally won something.
What, about by half a metre maybe?
Something like that. How far is my back wheel behind the line? Because yours are dead on it.
Yeah, it's about half a metre then. Oh man, I'm good with measuring stuff. Hidden talent. Well, there you go. It's 2 wins to the Mercedes-AMG, 1 to the Audi RS7. But is this Mercedes worth the extra money? Which one you would have? Is this worth the extra money for the extra performance and slightly reduced braking capability? Let me know in the comments box below. Also, don't forget to check this stuff out here, you know, the merchandise. And why not follow me on Instagram, @WatsonCars. And as ever, if you watched the video this far and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of these awesome videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.